Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone audio message not working in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now here scroll down to the hearing section and click on sound recognition, and then turn on sound recognition. If you turn off this sound recognition button, you will not be able to send audio messages. So first of all, turn on sound recognition and then open messages app, and to send a voice message click on this add icon, and from here click on audio. So it will allow you to record a audio message, and after recording click on this stop icon, and then to send this audio message click on this send icon. So that's how you can send or fix audio message in iPhone 15 Pro Max. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.